What's up, guys? It's your boy Anthony from Meineke Cinnaminson. We are working on a 99 Acura. I think it's a TL 30. Yep, 30CL. Acura 01 30CL. Production date's a 1 of 99. Customer's in for a check engine light installing. So that's what the dash looks like. Check engine lights on, ABS lights on. So the location of the OBD2 connector is actually behind the ashtray. So if you don't know, you move the ashtray, the plug is back here. Plug in your diagnostic tool. Hopefully it powers up. And I mean that because if the fuse is bad or electrical problem, it will not. So we're going to find out what's going on here. Acura CL 30 automatic. Is this my car? Yes, it is. So it has a 401 EGR, insufficient flow detected. Alright. So that means it's not flowing. So it's a 401 code. That doesn't necessarily mean it needs an EGR, but based on the mileage and the year, it's very possible. It also could have a clogged EGR port. So just so you know, this is my video showing you where the OBD2 diagnostic port is on your 99 Acura 3.0 CL. I believe the 4 cylinders, the same spot. Thanks for watching.